to go check out a, we're gonna go install a mini split a customer bought in a restaurant. It's Labor Day. Let's go labor. Let's get out there. That's my dolly, my skateboard, Pal Peralta. Looks like we're putting in a Mr. Cool today. And that's how I got it out here. Let's get this thing opened up. We got Mr. Cool here, getting her all prepped and ready. She's gonna go up there. Got my level. We're gonna get this fixed up, then we'll drill a hole through. Drilling holes. Blink. Getting there. Got the wire already attached. Getting ready. Bam. All right, there we go. I'm getting this all tidied up. Sparky. There it is, hanging on the wall. The electrician's finishing up his little part, and then we'll get nitrogenized and evacuated. And I think this one broadcasts to your iPhone or something. I gotta dig into all this stuff. All right, so it's got you can use a regular remote, and then it also has this, you can hook it up so you can get control from your smartphone. Got a USB connector. We'll have to get into this so they can control it from their smartphone. Mr. Cool, we'll check it out here in a minute. Oh, he sure is quiet, listen to that. That's how she came out on the outside. I'll show you guys the inside of the sausage factory. Leftover line set. It came across here. Came across like that. I got it strapped up to get fall for the drain. The drain's running with it. Just across the storeroom, it's all strapped up. And then out here is really clean. Down to the 6th floor. It's gonna take a while.
You know that that's a lot of cement here. You say that.
Running. Might as well go for this. That's a working man's meal. Eerie. Done. Already had lunch. It's only 19 after 12. Yeah, just under a 4-hour install on that little thing. I'm not the fastest and I'm not the slowest, but she's all happy and I got paid, so we're off to the next one. The last hoorah of summer. Beach will be empty next weekend. All right, everybody, happy Labor Day. The Labor Day Shuffle.